Hi, this is Danny from Jackrabbit's Barbers, and today I'm gonna do wet head shave on band. Let's do it. Just gonna pop some pre-shave oil all over to help to moisturize the skin, softens the hair up a little bit just before the hot towel.
Two new ones opening there, but they like quick haircut barbershop.
Yeah, quick and cheerful. It's a good location, but the trouble is we've got mint barbers as well who are taking over Bournemouth and Dorset at the minute. They're just opening shops everywhere because we're just all together with them. That's why I'm going over to Bournemouth this year, end of this year.
Well, have you got his number? I can give you his number.
I've not seen him for a long time.
I can't. I'm out of date. No, the other guy was definitely.
Oh, okay. Oh, your friend there?
Yeah. So one of the guys owns tattoo care company, and the other one owns the studios. And also, he's silent, he's quick. Look at this.
Very quick.
Your business around Winchester.
Speedy band. Went from silent to speedy.
Well, on the head shaves, yeah, I love to do it. Very satisfying. I normally just do the first, one half of the head first, because otherwise the foam gets dry and then it's not very nice to do it when it's dry.
I'm impressed. Don't Bennett, some sunburn stuff.
A little bit, yeah. It's a little bit more difficult now because his top of his head is a little bit burned, but hopefully he'll be able to sort it out. Always stretch the skin. The first round is I do it where the actual hair grows, and then the second one is going to be against growing, so it's going to be nice and smooth on the end.
Still looking to see what to do with what improvement, I'm not sure. But just sell it, use a bit of work, do a bit of work, do the work, as much on games as someone in.
Actually, a better option would probably just be to get mortgages on them. I always sort of talk to people who are saying, oh, just want to be mortgage free, just want to be mortgage free, but actually mortgages are the best type of debt. From a business perspective, you can leverage money that comes from the bank and make it income off the rest of it. But as you get older, it gets harder to put that sort of money, so usually just go off the debt that will come off the property. And it provides an income for it in itself. So
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, round two. Just gonna put just a really thin layer of foam just to make sure that it's all nice and smooth, doesn't burn the skin. try to do the second round and normally like against the growth or like sideways to make sure that it picks up all the different ones on the bottom.
You're a board guy? Yeah. My girlfriend mainly. Then it grew for like coming down the shoulders like that. Yeah, no, yeah, that was yeah, you should love it. Yeah, no, that felt really cool. Yeah. Yeah, so I used to have to wash and condition it every day, brush it through every day. I went to Italy and Greece and I had to tie it up in the car. Yeah, definitely. You know how you're back here? Oh, yeah, I'll be back here. Maybe, well, we're going to go to Southampton. Probably better time. I'll probably definitely still have a day over here or 2 days over here. Because I enjoy doing this, I love it.
Yeah.
So it's such a good opportunity to just have my diary free.
You worked in
and then I can start putting my days in where I'm going to be.
Which you prefer? It's all got a bit serious and it's all a bit of fun out of it.
I need to do social media for business and the strategies for that. But I think he's only relatively, he's quite young, he's only been doing it for the last 9 or so years, 10 years maybe. But he's actually made himself a name for himself. But pretty often the profile himself.
All done.
That's
it.
Happy, Ben?
Awesome, always. Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company with products not only for your beard, but also your hair and body. Do yourself a favor and head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself. Or you can stick around and watch a few more of our awesome videos.